In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart on Visme. Pie charts, also known as circle graphs, are a fantastic way to visually represent data and make your reports, presentations, or infographics engaging and easy to understand. Whether you're showcasing survey results, sales data, or any other kind of information, a well-designed pie chart can communicate your message clearly and effectively. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. First things first, you'll want to open your Visme account. If you've already got a design in mind, whether it's a presentation, report, or infographic, go ahead and open that project. If you're starting fresh, you'll need to create a new project or canvas to house your pie chart. Once your project is ready to go, focus your attention on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of tools available to you. Find and click on the Data tab, which is your gateway to creating complex and visually appealing data representations. Within the Data tab, you'll discover the Charts and Graphs option. This is where all the magic happens. When you select Charts and Graphs, you'll be presented with various chart types. For today, we're interested in the pie chart, or circle graph option. Clicking on this will instantly add a new pie chart to your canvas. If you're looking to save a bit of time or need some inspiration, you might want to start with one of Visme's many templates. These pre-designed formats can be a great starting point. For instance, the simple pie chart template offers a clean and straightforward look that you can easily customize. Next up, it's time to enter your data. As soon as the pie chart is placed on your canvas, a chart data panel will appear. This is your control center for inputting the categories and values that will define your chart. You have a couple of options for this step. You can manually type in each category and its corresponding value, or, if you're working with data that's already organized, import it directly from an Excel file. Visme even allows you to link a Google Sheet if you want dynamic data updating. With your data entered, it's time to ensure your pie chart not only informs, but also captivates. Select the chart and navigate to the Settings tab in the Chart menu to unlock a suite of customization options. You can add a compelling title and subtitle that clearly describe what your chart is about. Changing the colors of each slice is another vital step, allowing each segment to stand out and making your whole chart visually appealing. Additionally, consider how you want the values to display. Some people prefer percentages, while others opt for raw numbers. Moreover, you can tweak the angle or starting point of your chart, ensuring that each slice is positioned perfectly. Lastly, don't forget about animation options. Turning animation on can make your pie chart dynamic and more engaging when viewed, perfect for capturing your audience's attention. And that's it. You've now mastered the steps to create a professional pie chart on Visme. Use these skills to enhance your presentations and make your data truly shine.